Welcome back to another episode of The Man Cave. This is Victor of Lamb Scenes Design. Wanted to kind of touch base with you guys on a new project that I worked on. Oh, sneak peek of that, don't look too hard. That's coming soon. But I decided to work on a different project this time. Normally it's Dragon Ball Z characters, but something that remains the same is that, you know, I like lights on things. So over the weekend, I decided to work on another project. So let's go see what that is. This way. So, fish tank. Yeah, I actually went out and I bought a fish tank. Haven't had fish in a while. Last fish I had jumped out the tank and died. This was a couple years ago. So, I got on to get a fish tank. But you know, I can't just get an average fish tank. I got to do it special. So, let's turn on the light to this fish tank. Which this is a 20-gallon tank, and it actually comes with an LED light. So let me switch that on. Okay, and from this point, let me shut off the kitchen light. Yeah, I have the tank in my kitchen. I gotta get a stand for it. But let me pull up a chair and show you what's so special. Okay, so let me give you a little tour. That's my little blowfish. I have an albino Svengali in the back there. His tail sticking out the pirate ship. And there's another one in here. He's also a snake type of fish, although I can't see him right now. So anyway, let's move on. So, the tank has a pirate ship and rocks and some real trees and leaves in there. But, of course, in man cave fashion, I had to add some LEDs. And where do you think I added those? You won't be able to see them until I power it on. So let's see. Go countdown. 3, 2, 1. Yes, people. This is my infinity fish tank. This I custom made. I've seen these on clocks before, on picture frames, but not in a fish tank. I will tell you, this thing took a lot of work, and it is no fun to cut glass. I never want to do it really again, so I need to perfect the way that I did this. However, as you can see, you have the outside frame that's going on forever, and then the inside tube that's going back and looks slanted slightly. So there it is. Of course, it is the colors are changeable. There you go. You got the red, some green, like an orange, yellowish color, some blues, aqua, purple. That's your thing. There you go. Pink. All right, and yeah. So it's, you also have the jump feature. If you wanted to, and do a multicolor. You can also do a fade. Yeah, the video may not do it justice, but let me tell you that this thing looks crazy in person. My fish has tried to swim in that hole many times. So, there it is. You know, it's not my typical project, but you know, I wanted to do something new. So let me know what you think. Hit the comment in below. You know, I'm gonna list these on my Etsy page. They will be custom made for those who are interested. You just have to give me the specifications of the tank that you have, and you know, we can do different shapes on the background. That's just a tube looking circle. It could be a star, a rectangle. You know, it can even be a name. So let me know what you think. Thank you for tuning in. And just make sure you like and subscribe. Got a lot of interesting videos coming out in the near future. And I thank you for your time. Later.